Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jiu-Jitsu Jerry, and I create digital asset, investment, and jiu-jitsu content that's both informative and entertaining. Whether you're looking for new investment opportunities or simply enjoy blockchain technology and jiu-jitsu, I promise to deliver high-quality videos that you'll love. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. And if you enjoy the content, please hit the like button and leave a comment to let me know your thoughts. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today, we have an exciting topic that's revolutionizing the world of data analytics. Get ready to dive into the world of Starknet, the groundbreaking spreadsheet-like interface that's taking the Web3 ecosystem by storm. Imagine having the power to access and interact with a vast amount of public data from the Web3 world right from your familiar spreadsheet interface. With Starknet, that dream has become a reality. So, what makes Starknet so special? Well, it's built on the principles of decentralization and democratization. In the rapidly growing Web3 ecosystem, a significant amount of valuable public data remains inaccessible to the average user. Starknet changes that. By leveraging the ERC 721 standard and storing data on-chain, Starknet ensures that every piece of data is permanently accessible to its users. You truly own your work and can use it across the entire ecosystem, regardless of the tool you initially used. Say goodbye to the limitations of proprietary software. Starknet allows you to combine, collaborate, and share your model seamlessly. Just like software developers can publish their code wherever they want or switch between text editors. Starknet consists of a set of smart contracts deployed on Starknet, the most advanced general-purpose ZK rollup. Each data input becomes a unique NFT owned by you, giving you decentralized ownership of different parts of the model you create. And don't worry about the complexity. Starknet provides a user-friendly application that brings the power of these contracts right to your fingertips. It utilizes the familiar spreadsheet interface, allowing you to reference other NFTs and data. Now, you might be wondering, why Starknet on Starknet? Well, Ethereum, the largest and most secure blockchain, provides a natural choice for Starknet's deployment. With ZK rollups, Starknet offers cheap computation, proof of computation, and even the possibility of fully encrypted cloud-based computation. Starknet is making waves in the tech world, and with its strong and growing community, Starknet is poised to make a significant impact in the realm of data analytics. And there you have it, folks, Starknet, the game changer in data analytics. Unlock the power of Web3, democratize your data, and join the revolution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest tech trends. Until next time, happy analyzing!
Glad you stopped by. If you liked the content in this video, hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated on future content. This YouTube account aims to deliver accurate and current information. However, it cannot be held liable for any missing or incorrect information. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume the risk.